Good morning, guys. It's me, Jimmy. So the question is that should you go and get a degree from the Texas Tech University? Yeah. Should you go and get a degree from the Texas Tech University? Jump to the screen and let's find out.
So let's find out about the. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. So let's find out the Texas Tech University (TTU). Yeah, I mean TTU. The name I hear a lot, but I don't know it's a public or a private. Okay, it's a public, which is a good thing. The world worst public university is still better than the world best private university. Do not waste your time in private crap, okay, unless it's a prestige university. The tuition is quite high for the out of state. I don't know why they wanna charge that amount of money even it's a public. Let me check their rank, because ranking can be a huge factor in deciding. Okay, let me see the rank. The rank is okay. It's like semi prestige. World rank is prestige. The country rank I call semi prestige 1 to 7. Okay, here's one thing. If you really need a piece of paper, then go get a degree. But most of the time, this I mean semi prestige or prestige university do not have good amount of like learning environment. Sorry, not environment. I don't know which word to use. Okay, they do not have good quality of education. I don't know why. I mean that is a fact. A lot of community college have better education, more practical, more vocational oriental. Here's one thing: if you need a degree which you can easily get a job anywhere in the state or country, all in any overseas country, then maybe yes, you should go to Texas Tech University. Is there anything in the news? But try to do something like in demand, and a lot of people don't need a degree. Here's one thing: if you need a degree, then go and do a degree in agriculture science, agriculture leadership, agriculture economics. Some time I have to shout and tell you agriculture. Okay, mostly you don't need a degree. If you think you need a degree, then definitely yes, go to the Texas Tech University, but focus on the agriculture field. It was me, none other than Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.